variation. So just going to look at inversely proportional, also called inverse variation. So it says y varies inversely. Now the inverse is when you flip it. So the inverse of 2 is 1 over 2. The inverse of 3 is 1 on 3. The inverse of 1 on 5 is obviously, flip it back the other way, 5. So if y varies inversely with x, then y will equal k over x. Or it's like having k times 1 on x, which is the same as k times 1 is k, 1 times x is x. Okay, so basically, if y varies inversely with x, that's your starting formula. And then x equals 3 when y equals 12. That means that where the x is, you are going to put 3. And this will help you find your k. And where the y is, you are going to put 12. So that means that 12 equals k over 3. Now to solve that equation, k over 3 equals 12. Because it is divided by 3, it'll be 12 times 3. So k will equal 36. So that now means that y equals 36 over x. So if x is equal to 7, we want to find what y is. So now that we know what k is, we have our basic rule, which is 36 on x. And all that is needed now is to get x equals 7. And where the x is, you replace it with 7. So it's 36 on 7, which is 5 and 1/7. That's what the y value will equal. Okay, so let's just look at another one. So m varies inversely with a. So there's your basic formula. Information to help you find k. M equals 4 when a equals 6. So that means that 4, because we've got to sub in for m, we have to sub in the 4. And for a, we have to sub in the 6. So that means that 4 equals k over 6. So k over 6 equals 4. So k equals 4 times 6, which is 24. So what that basically means now is m is 24 on a. And that's your formula. So now let's just use it to answer the actual question. You want to find what m is when a is equal to a. So m is 24, and in place of the a, you can put 8. So 24 on 8 is 3.